In this video, you'll learn how to use ClickUp for student productivity by setting up a simple but powerful semester planner. We'll build everything from scratch together, and by the end, you'll have a clear system to track your assignments and projects throughout the term. Let's start inside your ClickUp workspace. On the left-hand side, you should see your spaces. These are the larger areas that organize your work, like school, personal, or work. Find the space where you want to keep all your class-related tasks. This might be a dedicated school space, or you can create one if you haven't already. Next to that space's name, look for a small plus icon. This is where you can add new items inside the space. Click that plus icon, and from the options that appear, choose List. A list in ClickUp is like a container for related tasks, and in this case, it's going to hold everything for your current semester. When the new list window appears, you'll be prompted to give it a name. Type Semester Planner as the name. Keeping this title clear and specific makes it easy to find later, especially once you start adding more lists for future terms or different areas of your life. After you've typed Semester Planner, click Create List. ClickUp will now open your new empty list, ready for customization. Right now, your list has default statuses that might not be ideal for the way students typically work. To really make this useful, we're going to customize those statuses so they match the way you move assignments from start to finish. At the top of your list view, look for the statuses area. Depending on your layout, this might show a few colored labels like to do or complete, or a drop-down that displays the current status set. Click on that statuses section and then choose Manage Statuses. This opens up the editor where you can change, remove, or add your own workflow steps. Inside the Manage Statuses panel, switch the type to Custom. This is important because the Custom option lets you define a sequence that truly fits your study process rather than sticking with generic defaults. Once you're in Custom mode, clear out any statuses you don't need or simply start typing the ones you want to use. Create 4 statuses: To Do, In Progress, Review, and Submitted. Think of To Do as every assignment that's been given but you haven't started yet. In Progress is for work you've already begun, whether that's reading, outlining, or writing. Review is especially helpful for students. Use it for assignments that are drafted and need one more look, maybe proofreading, checking instructions, or adding citations. Finally, Submitted lets you mark tasks that you've turned in so you can see your progress and keep a record of completed work for the semester. As you add each status, pay attention to the order. Make sure they appear in the sequence that matches how you like to work, from To Do on the left through to Submitted on the right. When you're done, confirm or save your changes. Now, your semester planner list has a clean, student-focused workflow. You can start adding tasks for each class, then move them through To Do, In Progress, Review, and Submitted as you work. This simple structure makes it much easier to see what needs your attention right now, what's almost done, and what you've already completed, helping you stay organized and productive all semester long.